Hi, thank you very much for watching. The topic of this video is, can we find common ground with those who disagree with us? I think the answer is a little bit of yes, a little bit of no, depending on the person. If a person hates you and wants to do you harm, you're probably not going to be able to get anywhere with them no matter what you say or do. Just your overall presence is probably going to insult or otherwise offend them. But people who are reasonably open-minded and somewhat rational and not completely stupid can probably understand and relate to you and possibly even respect you if you try to come to common ground with them. And we've talked about this before in several videos, things like the Maslow's hierarchy of needs video, the need for belonging video, the videos on trust and respect. But we all have so many things in common. First of all, we're all the same species. We're all the same race. The concept of race is a construct made up to separate one group from another. We're all the same. I believe something like 98 to 99% of our DNA is exactly the same. We all need to eat to survive. We all need to drink water to survive. We all need to breathe air to survive. We all need housing and shelter and clothing to survive. We all need to be able to feel comfortable enough and safe enough that we aren't a threat for our human lives and existence, whether that's mental or spiritual or a combination of that with physical. These are things we all need in common. We all are worried about certain things. We all derive pleasure and joy from certain things. There is so much more that unites us than divides us. We all need to find common ground and to be able to reach out to those who might not necessarily agree with some of our views, some of our ethos, some of our values systems or ideologies. Because all of that really is above and beyond the core values of what we all believe in, or hopefully all believe in, the ideas of life and liberty and the pursuit of happiness. What are your thoughts? Do you agree or disagree? Have you tried to befriend someone who disagrees with you on things like politics or religion or economic status or class or ethnicity? And how fruitful was those interchanges? And have you been met with hostility just because of who you were or what you represented? Let me know what your thoughts are below. I'm really trying to reach out to you and see what your thoughts are, to see what you're passionate about, and if I'm covering things that are important to you on this channel. If not, I'm basically wasting my time. And if you do enjoy this channel, please let me know what your thoughts are, and if you have any ideas for future videos. And conversely, if you're interested in watching more, please subscribe. Take care.